Hey guys, and welcome back to another Roblox video. In today's video I'll show you how you can reset your Roblox pin. Your pin is very important because you need it to make changes on your account, but if you've forgotten it, no worries, I'll show you in this video how you can actually change it. If it does help you out, please do make sure you leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And if you want more Roblox videos, let me know what Roblox videos you want in the comments below. So to reset your pin, no matter what page you're on Roblox, you want to scroll down as far as you can do, and you are looking for this help button here. So we can click on help here, and it's going to open up a new window. Once the window opens here, click on Roblox account, I need help with my account. And then here we can scroll down even more, and under the account settings link here we can click I forgot my pin. It's then going to open up this window. It will say once the pin is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings. Now it's going to also give you a link to the contact form, so you can click on this and it will again open it in a new window. So here is the contact form. You need to enter in your first name, your email address. You then need to confirm your email address and enter in your username. Your username will be up here, so make sure you copy that and make sure that's correct, otherwise you won't be able to change your PIN. Then under issue details, you want to click on PC, and then type of help category. Here you want to click on account hacked or can't log in. Then click account PIN, and then just put, hey, I have forgotten my PIN. Can you assist me in resetting it? Something along those lines. You don't have to put that exactly, but put something along those lines, then click submit. Then you will then get an email back from the contact team. They'll then go and help you change your PIN.